I'm just going ahead and recording this session with your permission, Ajay.
Please go ahead.
All right. So this one, we might use it just onto some shorts or something wherein we can loop in more people for your clubbing, your crochet clubbing.
Yes. It is better if you all switch on your videos so that we can get to know each other.
We
And
can
also,
give you a minute or two. Please come on to the camera so that we can see each other and we can share.
We can also see your work.
In the meantime, I'm just posting a Google Sheet link. Please fill in the form. Only if you fill in the form, we'll be able to keep you informed with the future sessions also. So, Meher here, let's give another 2 minutes so that other people are going to join. Until then, let's not discuss anything. Hang on for others to join. Let's give 2 more minutes. In the meantime, I'm just going to post it in the group.
Ma'am, but may I know why I'm not able to log in through my laptop actually?
It is you can log in through laptop. It's just that we have to let you in. Until then, you can't come in. So if it is not 5 o'clock, the link will not be working. You messaged me even before it was 5, Ramya. That's the reason you were not in.
Yeah. But even now I'm trying actually, but I don't know why I'm not able to log in from laptop.
You should be logged in with your email ID.
Yeah, but it was not asking anything.
It will ask. Hi,
Maybe it's a laptop problem, Ramya garu.
No. లేదు మ్యామ్ నాది కొత్తది ల్యాప్టాప్ నాకు మొబైల్ నుంచి అవుతుంది బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వై ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు దీని నుంచి ఎందుకు లాగిన్ అవ్వలేకపోతున్నాను అని
ఫీచర్స్ అప్డేట్ క్లియర్ గా చేయలేదు అదొక రీజన్
కాంట్ జాయిన్ దిస్ వీడియో కాల్
హౌ ఆర్ యు
Hi Jyoti, I'm good. I'm just filling up the form actually.
Okay. Hi Anu Jyoti.
आप लोग के पास टाइम है?
So Neerja, in the meantime, you can go with the introduction for Meherji.
Yeah, sure, Jyoti. Hello everyone. Good evening, Rockstars. Welcome to one and all for the crochet online session. Few of the members have already attended offline session earlier. Welcome Meher Ratima for the session. She is a social activist and business entrepreneur, empowering many women and youngsters to be independent and become entrepreneurs. She is a crochet second-time Guinness World Record participant and guiding our crochet club members for the same. Congratulations, Meher Garu, on the second.
Thank you so much, Nitya. It's a pleasure to join you all and share my knowledge with you all.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Congratulations, Meherji, for the crochet second-time Guinness World participation and record.
This time, even my daughter-in-law, my mother, and one of my friend has joined the participation along with me, and they all got the certification in Guinness World Record participation. Yes. If you all are also interested, we will definitely do it again.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. It's up to you, ma'am. Please.
Yes. Yeah. So, good evening, all of you. How excited all of you are for the session, and how many of you know crochet already? You know crochet, very nice. Rami also, you also know crochet. So, you all know the basic crochets or the advanced level of crochets? I will just show you a few of my creations. I'm here to explain you from the basics. See, when I say crochet, I am a Guinness World Record holder in crochet. Few of the people, not from the female, but the male, they say, crochet lo Guinness record adi kuda untada types. అంటే దట్ ఇస్ అంటే క్రోషేనా ఇంట్లో చేస్తారు కదా, కర్టన్స్ అల్లుతారు కదా, డోర్ కర్టన్స్ అల్లుతారు కదా అనే టైప్ ఉంటది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ డోర్ కర్టన్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్స్, ఇట్స్ మచ్ మోర్. క్రోషే ఈస్ క్యాచింగ్ అప్ లైక్ అ వైల్డ్ ఫైర్. You grow everywhere on Instagram. You see there's so much happening with crochet. So before I show you my products, I want you all to show me what all products you have made till now, so that I'll have an idea like what all I can teach you all. Ramya, can you show me your
Yes,
products,
ma'am.
what you have made?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, this only this layer, which is a very long one, which I made when I was in 10th grade.
Very nice, Ramya.
So,
Very
and
nice.
later on, I was very interested by doing this crochet, but I was not having any kind of knowledge and how to do and all. So, after many years, I wanted to just distract myself from the busy schedules where we have. So, I just
Okay.
gone through YouTube and just by I have did crochet with different models in different. Please
Okay.
ignore the color combination.
No,
Why? Because
that's
whatever
okay.
I'm getting, why? Because even yeah, so the this is a big shawl which I have did. This is
Very
one
nice.
product which I have done,
Very nice,
and the
Ramya.
other one which I did was mixie cover.
Okay. Oh, okay. Very nice. Very nice.
So,
Ramya.
but I have a doubt, like kind of things, like I left out always missing this kind of things. It
Okay.
won't be equal,
Okay.
and even in this also you can see like a cross thing.
Yes. That
And one
requires
more
only
thing,
one technique which I'll definitely share with you.
yeah, and this is also
Anu
the
Jyoti,
one,
have you done anything?
and this is the recent one which I have done for a water purifier.
Okay, very nice. Water purifier. Oh, beautiful. This is
Yes,
called
ma'am.
amigurumi. Very nice, Anu Jyoti. Very nice. Very beautiful. Nice. Oh, you are already talented. Very nice. Very nice.
And
Beautiful. Have
sorry
you
to
learned it
disturb,
somewhere
ma'am.
or?
This one,
ఆన్లైన్ అదే యూట్యూబ్ లో చూసే నేర్చుకున్నాను.
Very nice, Andi. చాలా బాగా నేర్చుకున్నారు. Very nice. Very nice. Shruti, आपने कुछ किया? You have done anything?
yeah, have done a shawl for my mother. It's not with me now,
All right.
but I just
So,
tried it. My friend taught me at that time. Now it's like new again after 10 years or so.
yes.
So I have done just this one, and I
Very
have
nice.
not yet completed. I
Very
don't know how
beautiful,
to
ma'am.
start and how to finish. It's like new for me now again.
Yes, you're welcome. All of you, all three of you, welcome to our club. Let us learn more. Let us interact more and do few more things, do more projects. I will show you just few of
Shruti,
my
can you
collection. See, this is an earring. Can you see it?
1 minute, Meherji?
Uh,
Shruti, can you just show
I'll put-
what you made once again? Just want to have a screen capture. Oh, all of
Yeah.
you are kind of brownies.
Crochet is like meditation. You'll agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because your mind is completely occupied with the work you're doing. You're so immersed in it. Like every time you finish one line, you're excited to see the result. Let me do one more line. ఈ లైన్ అయిపోయాక పెట్టేద్దాం, ఇది చేసేసి పెట్టేద్దాం అనుకుంటూ we keep on going, and your mind is not wandering towards anything. You might be having 101 problems, but you don't think of those problems when you're crocheting. Agree? So
Yes, ma'am.
this art has catched up during COVID when people were going through lot of problems, depressions, people lost their job. So it is then people started doing crochet. But I do crocheting from my school days. My mom is a good crocheter, so I learned it from her. So I used to always keep crocheting. And when this started, when I started seeing pictures and all, then it caught like, like a fever for me, viral fever, which I'm spreading. ఎందుకంటే ఆ రోజుల్లో కొంచెం చేసిన మమ్మీ తిట్టేది, ఎందుకమ్మా చదువుకోండి అనేది. అంటే దానికి ఇంక్లినేషన్ ఉండాలి. మై సిస్టర్ ఈజ్ అ టీచర్. షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఇంటూ, షీ డజంట్ ఈవెన్ నో టు హోల్డ్ ద నీడిల్. బట్ though I'm a graduate, but from my school days I do crocheting. Okay, this is one thing which I made. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's an earring. You can wear it like this. See? Okay, there are few more. I think Nirja's daughter will like this. This is for the Christmas. Okay? And this is a very beautiful one. Chotu Sa. This is my favorite. I sold many. The remaining ones I'm showing you. See this. Very pretty. It looks very nice on a sari. Ye dekho. Can you see this? Is my camera perfect?
Yes, yes.
Ye wala dekho. Okay?
Shruti, I
You
saw
wear it
someone
with
peeping
mask.
in. They can join
Man.
you.
Yeah. This is a stole. Okay?
Oh.
And this you people will really say, wow, look at this. It's a multicolored purse. I have to attach the handles. Okay? And this is the thread which is used to make handbags or pouches or something like that. Okay? And this is the granny square in which I made a Guinness World Record with my friends from Mahila Manovikas. And this one we have made a target of 58,000 plus. A team of 400 members, we made 58,000 plus. And our record was only for 20,000, Jyoti ji. So we have doubled,
बहुत surpass कर
tripled
दिया.
the, yes, we have
I have a
tripled the
question.
number.
I
So
have a
I will show you
question.
few more. Am I
Sorry
visible
to-
and audible to all of you?
Yeah,
This
visible
is a
and
handbag.
audible. Sorry to interrupt, मगर एक question है. I have a question.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
The granny squares that you've showed, that was for the contest, Guinness World
Yeah.
Record, right?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do with those now?
Yeah, see, with these we are going to make, we are going to attach all the granny squares in a particular size and donate it to the
Network issue.
orphanages and government hospitals as blankets.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
So
In
all
between
these
it was
granny
gone,
squares
but
are
it's
going to be attached in a blanket size, baby blanket size, and we are going to donate this to the orphanages or maybe for the government hospitals and all. Is English all right with all of you, or shall I go with Telugu or Hindi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So, do you want me to show a few more, or you want to start the session to teach you something? See, this is the handbag. See, these are all granny squares, Dr. Jyoti.
now I get that.
So, we attach all the granny squares and we make a handbag. What Anujyoti was showing was also a handbag made out of granny squares. Yes. Yes. So this is a beanie which is a hot cake selling product during winters. Okay? It's a fashion for the guys to wear the beanies like that. All right. So there are a few more things. There are many more things. My mom used to make. My mom made this long time back during my childhood. I am 50 years now. So imagine this is made in my childhood. Okay, this is a water filter cover. And during our Guinness World Record, where we had invited some dignitaries, one lady came with a crochet dolly, which is made by her nani, which is 100 years old. So imagine how old the art is. We have to give this to our next generation. We have to keep this going. We have to teach this to people, and we have to keep the art going. This is a Portugal art which came to India some 100 of years ago, and from then Indians also started learning this. I am very happy to see people coming in to join and learn such things. So what shall we learn today? Have you all have your hook and your needle? Your hook and your thread? Do you know this thread? This is used for making earrings. This is the very thin kind of thread. This is a cotton merchandise thread which is used for making earrings or any small amigurumi type of things. Okay. There's one more thing which I want to show. Look at this. Totusa sweater. Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
These are the granny squares. I made 750. So now next month I'm planning a crochet stall for which I'm working with my team. I have a team of 4 to 5 girls, in which the oldest lady, I should call her the youngest one, she is 80 plus. She does crochet for me. And the youngest girl, presently, I want to declare her the youngest one because she is not perfect, but she is my granddaughter who is 4 years old. Whenever I do crochet, when she tries to do. See, this is a strawberry. You can make a keychain with this strawberry. Just hang it in the ring and your keychain is ready. Okay. So tell me, girls, shall I teach you all the stitches which are used in crochet today?
Yes, ma'am. But can I just get a clarification on this kind of things, ma'am? Like, see, this is also I have tried to work on for a tab cover actually, but where it is going in a cross way.
I will show you. See, you have to use correct hook size for the correct type of yarn. If the yarn is thin, then you have to go for thinner needles, like this one, which is easily available in the market. See, you all know this needle. This hook is easily available in the market. This can be used for wool also, thread also, and also wire. Okay. My mom and all used to use this. See, this hook size from you get hook size from 0.1 mm to even 10 mm. See, this one is 10 mm. This 10 mm hook is used for making crochet foot mats. All right. If you have old cotton sarees, you can just tear them into long pieces and you can bake crochet foot mats with this. Okay. This is 10 mm hook. So you have in all sizes and all shapes. I will be having around 50 to 100 hooks in my box. See, all different hook sizes. Because I am so crazy. If I have some hooks also, wherever I go, I take hooks with me, wool or yarn or whatever, anything with me. I go to the malls also with my children. I carry my yarn and my hook. Because if they are doing some shopping, I sit there and do my crocheting. That kind of viral it is for me. See, this is a bag. I just have to attach I have put a lining for this. I have to attach a handle for this. Then it becomes a handbag. Isn't it stylish? Washable, durable, stylish, everything. And wherever you go, it's unique. Okay. Sometimes we go outside, we see a lady carrying a handbag, which you say, "Are na daggara kuda ilanti same undi." But if you carry this, nobody can say na daggara ilanti same undi, right? So in crochet, let me show you first. First, you need to know how to do a chain stitch. I think all of you know, but that particular chains also should be in a proper manner. Suppose I will do with this and show. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. First thing is you have to make a knot. Am I visible?
Yes, ma'am.
See, just make a knot. Okay. When you make this knot, then go like this. Just go inside take the yarn, pull it from the chain. Then you form another chain. This is called chain stitch. Okay. All of you got it? This is the way you have to make a chain. And when you make enough chains, you can go for making chains, single crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and so on, so on, so on. You have so many patterns to make. See, this is one hook. This is 4 mm hook. Okay. That one was a bigger size. It was 5 mm. So now I am going to make with 4 mm. See. So you have made these chains. All right. And when you want to turn your work, what you have to do is, you have to first count your chains, how many are required for your whatever project you're making. And when you turn your work, just make one chain which is not counted in your counts. Suppose you are making 10 chains. So when you turn your chain, make one extra chain and then turn. All right. Then your shape of the pattern, shape of your product will be straight. Understood? Understood? This is the common doubt of the crocheters who are learning it through social media or somewhere, YouTube or something. Okay. So when you turn your work, suppose this you have to turn now. So what you do is, you want how many chains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You 11, 12. These are 12 chains. Suppose I want 12 chains for my project. I'm making a small bag. So when I want 12 chains, these 12 are counted like this only. Now you take one extra chain and then go into the first chain and make a single crochet. Okay. Understood all of you? हाँ? Then what happens? हाँ, then
आप
you
जो
go.
बना रहे हो आप थोड़ा कैमरा के सामने आगे ऐसा
Okay.
that
See,
will be viewable.
I will show you. अभी देखो, समझ में आया?
वो कैम में नहीं
Any
दिख
doubt?
रहा है आप जो बना रहे हो.
Or shall I make it with a wool? See this? Straight. Okay. Is it visible, all of you?
Yeah, while doing, we cannot see it, ma'am. It is down. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Can
Now
you
I
lift
will do
it
and
up?
show. See?
Yeah. Okay.
This is the hook. Okay. Maybe I'm sitting a little low.
हाँ
You have to go.
के सामने रखोगे तो वही कैम में दिख रहा है.
Now.
Now it's better. Yeah, that's better.
So now you go in the hook, get the yarn and pull through the two. So this is known as single crochet. Dekho. It's as easy as this. See, you have to just put your hook inside the yarn, pull through the yarn. Okay, then you have 2 on your hook. Then you have to take through and go from this 2. This is called single crochet. Is it clear? అర్థమైందా రమ్యగా అనుజ్యోతి అండ్ శృతి అర్థమైందా మీకు లెట్
క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. యూ కెన్ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ టాక్. చెప్పండి వెంటనే చెప్తే చూస్తారు.
అది కనిపించట్లేదు మ్యామ్, కిందకి అయిపోతుంది. మీరు చూపించేది ఇక్కడ నిట్ అవుతుంది. మీరు చేసే అంటే మీరు నిట్ అల్లేటప్పుడు కనిపించట్లేదు.
అల్లేటప్పుడు కనిపించట్లేదా? ఓకే. నౌ చూడండి. ఇది చూడండి, ఈ చైన్ లో నుంచి వెళ్ళి దీన్ని హుక్ లో తీసుకొని రావాలి అంతే. సింగిల్ క్రోషే ఇది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ 2 చైన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మళ్ళా హుక్ లో ఈ చైన్ ఒకసారి తీసుకొని ఈ రెండిట్లో నుంచి తీసేయాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ సింగిల్ క్రోషే. ఓకేనా? కనిపిస్తుందా? ఈ సింగిల్ క్రోషేతో కూడా మనం చాలా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు అమిగ్రూమి చేశారు, సింగిల్ క్రోషేతోనే చేశారా? మొత్తం ఆల్ ద అమిగ్రూమి ఇస్ డన్ ఆన్ సింగిల్ క్రోషే. ఎందుకంటే సింగిల్ క్రోషే చాలా టైట్ గా దగ్గరగా వస్తుంది. ప్లస్ మనం ఏ హుక్ సైజ్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం అది కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. పెద్ద హుక్ సైజ్ యూస్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఇట్లా మధ్య మధ్యలో గ్యాప్స్ వస్తాయి. బ్లూ वाले హుక్స్ లేకే అమ్మా, एक डब्बे में ब्लू वाले रहते हैं. నేను మీకు ఈ చిన్న దాంతో కూడా అల్లి చూపిస్తాను.
2.5 3 mm తో అంటేనే చిన్నగా వస్తుందండి.
ఇది చూడండి, ఇది థ్రెడ్. ఈ థ్రెడ్ కి మనం ఇంత పెద్ద హుక్ యూస్ చేయలేము. ఈ హుక్ ఉంది, ఈ హుక్ చిన్న, ఈ థ్రెడ్ తో అల్లితే అసలు దానికి షేప్ ఏమి రాదు. ఎందుకంటే ఈ థ్రెడ్ ఏమో చాలా సన్నగా ఉంది. కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది. అంటే మేడం అందులో 4 ప్లై అలా ఉంటాయి కదా యాన్ వచ్చేసరికి?
యాన్ మీకు 4 ప్లై ఉంటుంది, 8 ప్లై ఉంటుంది. ఇది చూడండి ఎంత థిక్ గా ఉంది. యాన్ కి బండిల్స్ మనకు థ్రెడ్. అలాగే మనకి ఈ థ్రెడ్ అనటానికి నీడిల్స్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి మా హుక్స్. ఇది ఎంత? 0.9 mm, 0.6 mm. ఇప్పుడు ఈ హుక్స్ తో మనము ఇలాంటి యాన్ అల్లటానికి ఉండదు. ఇలాంటి యాన్ అల్లాలి అంటే మనకి హుక్ సైజ్ పెద్దగా తీసుకోవాలి. ఇది కూడా చిన్నదే, ఇంకా కొంచెం పెద్దగా తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ థ్రెడ్ మనం అల్లాలి అంటే మనకి ఇలాంటి హుక్స్ పనికొస్తాయి ఈ థ్రెడ్ కి. ఇది కూడా కొంచెం లా ఉంది, ఇంకా కొంచెం
వాటికి ఇవి వాడాలి. తిన్నగా ఉన్న వాటికన్నీ 0.1 1.0 అలా ఉంది, 1.60.
చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తుందా? 0.6 కనిపించిందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది.
ఇది చూడండి 0.17 mm. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఏ థ్రెడ్ తో వెళ్తున్నామా, యాన్ తో వెళ్తున్నామా, మన థ్రెడ్ సైజ్ ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు దీనికి మనకి సన్న నీడిల్ కావాలి.